Hello everyone. The Curriculum Designers domain has been set up with Google Apps, and in this short video I want to show you how to access it, and I'm going to give you a brief tour of what it looks like when you go there for the first time. So to get to it, just type docs, D-O-C-S, .curriculumdesigners.com, and that will take you to this page. You'll know you're there when you see that the page is branded. It has the Curriculum Designers logo in the top corner. And now you're going to sign in. I have it set up right now so that my username is the same as my Curriculum Designers email account, which is Greg. And I'm using the same password that I use for my Curriculum Designers email to keep it easy for me. However, I don't know what your password for your email is, and I don't have a way to get that. What I can do is set you up with a temporary password, and then you would use that to log in here for just the first time, and then after you log in, it would ask you to change your password, and then you could change it to whatever you wanted. So enter your password, and you come to the Documents home page, and let me just give you a brief tour. So across the top you have New, if you want to make a new document, and we'll get to that in a second. Upload, you can upload things you've already created here. Share, oh, share is so cool. We're going to look at that a little bit later in another video. Move to is if you wanted to move documents from one folder to the next, that's how you would do that. You can hide, delete, rename, and do more things. We will look at all of those in other videos. So for now, let me just show you kind of down the side how you organize things. So some of these right now maybe don't make a whole lot of sense until you see, for example, what sharing is. But still, when you come to this the first time, I want to give you kind of a basic idea of what you're looking at. So these are filters. They're going to show you only things that match up with, for example, I want to see things owned by me. Okay, well, I own Test Sharing. I want to see things opened by me. So I might not be the owner, but at some point I opened this document. Okay. Also, I have opened Test Sharing. I hope that makes sense. Starred. Well, I haven't starred anything, so you're not seeing that. Do I have any hidden documents? No, I don't. What's in the trash? Ooh, I have some things in the trash. Now, my folders. I don't have any folders created, so you don't see anything. Items not in folders. This document, Test Sharing, is not in a folder yet. Okay, another way we could sort, and this is also very useful, PDFs. Show me only PDFs. Well, you can see here I don't have any. Show me documents. There's one. Show me presentations. I don't have any. Show me spreadsheets. I don't have any yet. This is awesome. It's a great way to organize that. If you haven't used Google Apps before, this may not make sense at first, but shared with, I can click, you know, as I share and as we start to collaborate more, that list will get longer and longer. What items am I sharing with Earl? So I click on Earl's name and I see that he and I are sharing a document called Test Sharing. Okay, that about wraps it up for this video. Before I end, I want to look at this new one more time and point out that we have documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. We could make a form or we could make a folder. Let's focus on these first three: documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. And I just want you to notice that this is the same tool set as basic Office Suite. So what Google Apps is going to let not just us, but anybody who decided to use this, it's going to let us all have the same Office Suite for free. All of the things that we create and share and collaborate on will be interchangeable and easy to open for everyone. This is browser based, so what's neat about it is, you know, the traditional way, we'd do some work in Microsoft Word or something and it would be stored on the hard drive. But here, it's stored on the internet, so any computer in the world that you're on, your files, everything that you've got entered in through Google Apps, it's wherever you are. It follows you. All you have to do is go to docs.curriculumdesigners.com and you can get all of your documents. If you were using this in a school, your students, everybody would have access to the same tools for free that don't require a big new computer to run. This is a very transformational way of solving equity problems in schools. Well, that wraps it up for this video. In the following videos, we'll be looking at each one of these documents, presentations, and spreadsheets, and probably most importantly and most revolutionary, if you haven't seen this stuff before, is we'll be looking at how to share. Thanks.